Do you want to see blocked accounts on TikTok? You can check blocked accounts list on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To view blocked accounts on TikTok, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Now, at the top right of your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines menu. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. A new screen will open with different setting options. Find and tap on Privacy under Accounts section. Now, scroll to the bottom until you see Interactions section. Under this, find and tap on Blocked Accounts. Here, you will see a full list of all the accounts you have blocked on TikTok. From this screen, you can also unblock any account by tapping the Unblock button next to their name.